This is our vision for the wetlands we have inherited from our ancestors. To all who cherish our country, our beloved Addu, and those who recognize the invaluable benefits of these wetlands, we invite you all who are able to join hands with the authorities in turning this vision into reality.
Over here, this area is designated for the purpose of agricultural development. These fields are going to be used for the cultivation of yam. We hope to engage the local community by providing each family a plot of their own to manage and harvest their own yam fields. Along the edges of the yam fields, we have screw pines. The fruits from screw pines can be used to make treats like keva juice, and even ice cream. The leaves from the screw pines can be used to make woven baskets and mats as well. This part of the model is designated for the cultivation of coconut palms, specifically for toddy tapping. The freshly tapped toddy can also be used to create products like coconut sugar and vinegar. Tourists and locals can also observe the traditional farming methods and traditional toddy tapping. And if they want a more immersive cultural experience, they can even participate in the process of yam harvesting and toddy tapping.
As you can see in these stalls, we hope to sell products like fried yam, keva and keva ice cream from the harvests we collect from these plots.
We have also included a platform here. This platform can be used to get a complete unobstructed view of the surrounding area, and it can also be used for the purpose of bird watching. This platform is constructed in a way that it is elevated so as not to damage the native grass.
Over here on this side, on this wetland, you can see some paddle boats, which we prefer to use instead of canoes because paddle boats give minimal damage to the environment surrounding this area. Over here, there's some bicycle paths which tourists and locals can use to have a peaceful ride through this beautiful area.
We have also included some educational and cultural attractions. Here you can see a study area which is dedicated for students and researchers. The study area has different nature trails, interactive displays, and information boards on wetlands. You might even notice that there is another platform near the study area. This is so that researchers and students can conduct their studies and researches easily and learn more about the biodiversity and ecosystem. Adjacent to the study area, we have the library. The library offers a range of resources and information materials on wetlands, biodiversity, and even the Maldivian culture.
This is a very important area because we want to be able to conserve this wetland for a very long time. And for us to be able to do so, we hope to provide books, resources, and posters about the wetland so people gain the knowledge.
Next to the library, we have the cultural center, which works more like a small museum. People can come in and observe traditional tools, drawings of ancestral practices, and even get a hands-on experience of the Maldivian culture by maybe trying on some traditional clothing, which they can wear around this area and take a few pictures.
Over here, we have a coffee shop. It's located at the entrance so that it causes less disturbance to the surrounding environment. It's the perfect location for a coffee shop because the surrounding nature is very calming, relaxing, and beautiful.
While making this model, we have also considered some environmental considerations. The facilities within the wetland area can be powered by solar. The pathways can be illuminated by solar-powered lights so as to promote sustainability.
To make this development more eco-friendly, we have edible and biodegradable cups, plates, and utensils which can maybe be made by yam powder so that tourists and locals can have a new experience while enjoying their cultural food.
You might have noticed that we have placed some water tanks around the area. We hope to implement a rainwater harvesting system where we can collect rainwater and store them, reducing our reliance on the island's limited groundwater resources. This will also help us in preserving the freshwater lands. If the authorities can identify ways to implement a similar model, the Wetland Development Initiative will safeguard both ecological and cultural importance of the area, providing a valuable experience for both locals and tourists. It is our responsibility to pass these valuable resources to the future generations.